4, 3, 2. All right, Daniel back with another TOJIRO Pro DP Series chef's knife, everybody. So as you can see, another laminate steel right here. Let's see if I can bounce that light off just right. You can see the laminate right towards the edge. Laminate steel. We've got a blade length here of 8 inches and 8 1/4 inches. Handle length at just at 5, with an overall at 13 3/8. The blade depth here is going to be 1 3/4. Great chef's knife for the kitchen, guys. Pricing will be on the website like all of our other knives, and just in case, because this is a good knife to show, just in case you guys don't know, all of these knives will come with box with the TOJIRO Pro stamped on it, as well as a sleeve in which the knife will come in. So everything that you see here will be on the website. If you guys have any questions, always feel free to contact and ask us. So that's it in the sleeve that it comes in. Thanks, guys.